Liane Young loves to watch people.
Seeing people wondering what's going on inside their heads, you can't help but see emotions on people's faces, and you wonder, are they thinking about how they just broke up with a boyfriend? Are they thinking about that test that they took? We're just naturally curious about other people around us.
Young's particularly curious about how we make moral judgments.
When we judge someone else as good or bad, or what they do as right or wrong.
And she goes about studying moral thinking by peering into people's brains. First, she develops contrasting moral scenarios, an accidental killing, say, versus a failed attempt to murder. Most people judge the attempted murder more harshly and less morally acceptable, even though the accident actually caused someone's death. The difference is one of intention. Then, to learn what our brains do when we make these judgments, Young looks at a region called the right temporoparietal junction, otherwise known as the RTPJ.
Right above and behind your right ear. This is a part of the brain that helps us think about other people's beliefs, intentions, desires.
The RTPJ cares less about what other people do and more about what they mean to do. Young can jostle this region using a technique called transcranial magnetic stimulation.
I would hold this figure-8 coil such that the center is right over someone's RTPJ.
She's just doing a demo here, but during an actual experiment, she induces an electric current, which adds noise to the neural signals in the RTPJ.
When we disrupted activity in this region, we also disrupted people's ability to make moral judgments of other people's actions.
Subjects were more likely to consider the outcome of the action instead of the intention, to blame someone for an accidental killing and excuse someone for a failed attempt to murder. Young and her collaborators were the first to show that disrupting brain activity in this way can impair moral judgment. She's expanding her work now to consider how people with autism make moral judgments.
Most of us try to figure out what's inside someone else's head, even though the stuff that's on the outside is what's observable and easy to see.
Young's big goal is to connect the two, the visible world of our actions and behaviors and the invisible world of our thoughts and feelings. But that'll require her to watch many more people and their brains.